Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I want to talk about what are underground raves. So, back in the day, we would throw parties in warehouses, old grocery stores. I'm trying to think of like some fun places I partied in. Church, a school. Oh, we also had like field parties, a drive-in. You name it, we probably partied there. An underground rave is an all night dance party with electronic music thrown by ravers for ravers. There's usually no alcohol. Sometimes there is, but if you want an all ages party, then no alcohol. It really is just a place to come together, to dance, to let go of stress of everyday life, to meet awesome people from all over the world. You're going to hear underground music, stuff that's not going to be played on the mainstream radio. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys some pictures and flyers. Now I'm going to show you guys some pictures of what inside a rave looked like, and I'm going to share some flyers. So what you would come home with after a night at one of these warehouse parties. If you can see, it's very dark. So this is inside a party, and for the most part, there's not much lighting. Sometimes events had crazy lighting, but for the most part, we kept it pretty dark. Here's another one. This is another one. You know, looking back through my pictures, I didn't really have too many like inside venue shots. It was more like, pictures with friends or DJs. Here's someone spinning. I don't know which party this is. I think this could be at a venue or this could be at an after party. And I don't know who that is. I'm sorry if you watch this. This is my husband spinning at, I'm pretty sure, an after party. See, records, a blast from the past. Here's another shot. He likes to make goofy faces of him spinning. And here's another shot of the venue, my friend Emily. But it's pretty dark. Warehouse parties were really dark for the most part. Okay, so these are flyers, and this was what was so great about going to these warehouse parties. You would just go to one and you would come home with a backpack or a UFO pocket full of flyers for upcoming parties. And a lot of times raves were so popular, I would get flyers from different states around mine. So I'm in Ohio, and I have flyers from Kentucky and Indy, different cities in Ohio. So this one's from Indy, 2001. And I would like to mention, like, if you are interested in promoting or throwing your own events, if you look back at old flyers, they really have all the inspiration you need if you're trying to, bring back that vibe. But a lot of times we didn't have, it just depended on the type of party, but I mean, we had parties every weekend in all different cities and states. Like, it was popping. And a lot of times we didn't have stacked lineups like the festivals these days. Like we would have a few headliners. For the most part, it would be like local DJs. And that's all, I mean, that's all you really needed. Like if you want to party every weekend, like you don't have to throw an EDC every weekend, you know? It could be something small. That's just how it gets going. But okay, so here's this one from Indy. This one's from Cincinnati. And we had another thing is it seems like the music now, unless it's like a big festival, it seems like the scene has kind of separated itself. And back in the day, all these warehouse parties had every genre: house, techno, breaks, drum and bass, happy hardcore. Like we had everything for everyone, which is awesome because, you know, the more types of music that's at your event, the more people you can appeal to. And it's always nice to just bring everyone together. I really like this one. So this was a free party. I don't think I went to this. I think I went to something else that night. See, that's what I'm saying. There's like multiple events in the same night. It was really, sometimes it was hard to pick which rave you're going to go to. I think that this was my husband's, and I think that he went to this party. And I feel like he might have, I feel like there's a story with this that it ended up not being free and he had to pay $5. I don't know. But either way. And where's this one? Tennessee. Okay, so I mean that's pretty wild. Most of these flyers were from like a night at a Dayton party or a Cincy party, Columbus. So it's pretty crazy. We have Tennessee. I did not go to this one. This one's my husband's. I don't think he went to this one either. I love this flyer design, the raver on it. Where was this one? Southwest. Okay, well, sometimes they didn't put the actual city, so you wouldn't know until the day because you would have to call the info line, which was pretty exciting. Secret location, secret. Yeah, that's cool. UFO. And this is cute. It has party kids on it. Kentucky. I only went to a few Kentucky parties just because we had so much going on in Ohio. And I feel like I met a lot of kids from Kentucky that came to our events. I know Dayton was pretty popping back in the day. How many times am I going to say that on this video? Forgive me. Okay, this party, Cincinnati. I wanted to go to this one, but I didn't get to go to this one. Man, I wanted to go so bad. I loved Baby Ann at that time. Like, breaks were pretty popular. I'm like, I don't remember the last time I heard breaks at a party. Like, it's been a long time. I did go to this one. Pretty sure this was in Columbus. But yeah, we desperately need more events with all the genres. It's just fun to have the option to hear different types of music because I like a lot of different genres. And sometimes you'll get burnt out on the same genre. At least I did, because I know we did go through like a phase back in the day, like a few parties. There was an all happy hardcore a couple times and all drum and bass. And I love those genres, but I just feel like at the end of the night, I could have used a different set. Oh, this was a good party. This was in Dayton. Okay, I'm going to show you one more, or maybe two more. So here's this one. Derek May. I like the candy corn on there. Where was this one? Well, I see a lot of Indiana on here, so maybe Indy. And I know my husband went to this one. I like this flyer. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about warehouse parties, and I'm always trying to inspire. So if, you know, anyone's interested in promoting parties, like, these flyers are gold for inspiration. And also there's a website called Raver Geek. I think it's .com. I'll probably link it. But she has an archive of all kinds of pictures and flyers. It's pretty cool. And if you want to check it out, then you'll be able to. All right. I'll see you guys next time.